Our next question is, at a particular time when the sun's altitude is 30 degrees, the length of the shadow of a vertical tower is 45 meters. Calculate the height of the tower and the length of the shadow of the same tower when the sun's altitude is 45 degrees and 60 degrees. So it is given that a tower is there. So because of the sun's light, it casted a shadow of the tower whose length, like shadow height, is 45 meters, and the angle of elevation of that sun at this shadow will be 30 degrees. We need to find out the height of the tower, and at the same time for the next two elevations also we need to find the shadow length. So for example, if the sun goes down, the shadow length will increase, or if it goes up, the shadow may decrease, okay, or the elevated angle may increase. So here they are asking about two elevated angles, one is 45 and another one is 60. For these two elevated angles, what should be the length of the shadow? We need to find out. Okay, so if sun goes down, the shadow casts more. If sun goes up, the shadow casts less. So here, when shadow casting less, the angle of elevation will become more. So from this data we need to find out three parameters. One is height of the tower and other is the length of the shadows at these angle of elevations. So first of all, I would name it A, B, C, D and E. So from this, first consider triangle ADE. ADE. In this, height of the tower is relating with the base of the shadow length. So here tan 30 is equal to height, that is DE by AD. DE is H and AD is 45 meters and tan 30 is root 3. So H is equal to 45 by root 3. This 45 I can write 3 into 15 by root 3. So root 3 once, root 3 is into root 3 will give 3. So it is 15 root 3 meters. The height of the tower is 15 root 3 meters. Now we need to find out the length of the shadows at these elevated angles. So consider triangle BDE, which constitutes elevated angle 45 degrees. So consider tan 45 is equal to opposite is DE and adjacent is BD. So we need to find out BD. So BD, bring this BD to this side and tan 45 to this side. So DE by tan 45 is 1. So whereas DE's value is 15 root 3, so that BD value is also 15 root 3. Now consider the angle 60 degrees. So triangle CDE, in this tan 60 is equal to opposite side DE divided by CD. So we need CD is equal to DE by tan 60. Tan 60 is root 3. So we have DE value which is 15 root 3 divided by root 3. So root 3 gets cancelled. You will have 15 meters. So CD is 15 meters, BD is 15 root 3 meters and AD is 45 meters. That is given already. So hence we found the values of the height of the tower and even shadows at two different elevated angles.